How homeopathy treatment is best for fevers. Nowadays, one of the alternative system of medicine, homeopathy medicine became very popular. The reason behind this is free from side effects, permanent relief from diseases, while certain diseases have no treatment at all. In other systems of medicine, can also be treated successfully with homeopathy. While certain diseases which needs surgery in other systems of medicine will be successfully treated with homeopathy medicine without necessarily undergoing for surgery. With some examples, tonsillitis, adenoids, piles, uterine fibroids, PCOD, Crohn's, etc. In spite of its ongoing popularity, homeopathy treatment is limited to chronic diseases only. But important thing is, homeopathy not only treats chronic diseases, it can treat acute diseases like all types of viral fevers, common cold, cough, allergies, loose motions, vomitings, headache, vertigo, etc. as speed as other systems of medicines will treat. But unlike other system of medicine, in homeopathy, two patients who is suffering from viral fever will need different set of medicines and treatment based on their symptom totality. This methodology is possible only to a qualified homeopathy doctor only, so that all the acute diseases can be controlled with the same speed as the other system of medicine. An added advantage to this homeopathy treatment is after the recovery, the patient can regain his appetite and stamina almost immediately so that he can resume his daily activities without any delay. But if a person frequently falling sick with the slightest exposure, it means their immune system is very weak. In this situation, giving a chronic constitutional homeopathy treatment, which will be a time consuming process, will definitely improve the immunity, which ultimately the frequent suffering will come down drastically. If this treatment will be given to the kids, the regular vaccination schedule is also not necessary. For the last 20 years in our clinic, we have successfully treated hundreds of kids in this methodology who never undergone for vaccination during our treatment. This is the real motto of homeopathy. For online treatment facility available to the clients of all the countries. For more information regarding the subject, you can call to our numbers. Thank you for watching.